Yeah.
Go ahead, say what you need to say so he gets it.
I just want to make sure that he puts it all back together here in the end. That this piece right here that holds the handle comes apart on the bottom. Let's get it off. Then you have, okay, let's, I want to put my finger on it. But this bracket and this O-ring all stay in the same spot. Unscrew it all the way.
Not that one, that one. The one who seems like he's already got the job because he studied all the right courses from the get-go.
And this is your top O-ring. The plate actually sits on top of it, and this actually clips into this piece here. When he pulls this part off, the bottom unscrews easily. That the filter that comes out the bottom all slides in with the spring upwards into it, into the screw tip in here. When he pulls the nozzle off right here and takes the nozzle apart with my fingers, that this all sits in the right place, into the groove, all the way down and in, and it locks into this piece here when you screw it on. So all these pieces have to be put back exactly the same way. See in here? Here's your cylinder. Screw your cylinder back on. Slide your filter in with the plastic side down, spring side up, just like that. Make sure that this plate hooks into the handle, and the O-ring, which is right here, this black O-ring, sits in the groove. It has a slot right in there that you can see. Slide it right in, put your clip in, put that in, hold it down, and screw the whole compartment back in till it sits all the way, and then tighten it down. Make sure it's all the way tight. Take the spray nozzle, make sure it's to the side, and that this tightens in properly all the way down. So that sits in there. That way this doesn't just fall out. Once you screw it all down, it should sit in place when you tighten it all together. It won't slide off. See? It'll be nice and tight, won't slide out of the groove. Oh, well, let's tighten it down. All the way. So it sits in the groove, and he's going to have to wrench it. Same like this, he's going to have to wrench this all the way in. But I want John to do it while he's here. That way he doesn't put it back together wrong. And this is just a lock to keep it from spraying, to hold the trigger. Okay?